Brain injuries can be caused by a variety of accidents. They can be caused by car wrecks, 18-wheeler wrecks, motorcycle accidents, bicycle accidents, pedestrian accidents. They can be caused at work, falling off a ladder at work, for example. They can be caused by a lot of different things. The mental state that clients come to us in after a traumatic brain injury is traumatic, right? In Texas alone, there's over 144,000 traumatic brain injuries every single year. That comes to about 1 every 4 minutes. And over 5,700 people in Texas alone have a permanent disability for life because of a traumatic brain injury. So they can be absolutely traumatic. When there's a brain injury, we tend to call them traumatic brain injury, or TBI. The person may lose the ability to make decisions. They may be confused. They may be dizzy. They may not be able to do tasks like they used to be able to do tasks or multitask. They may not be able to talk or walk like they used to. So they range from kind of on the more minor level to some major traumatic brain injuries. TBIs affect everybody because when you have that traumatic brain injury, it is as it sounds, and it affects relationships. It can affect relationships among spouses. It can affect relationships among parents and children. It affects relationships at work and the ability to work. So everybody's affected: employers, employees, colleagues, spouses, children, neighbors, extended family. It just changes life, and very sadly. For victims of traumatic brain injuries, the damages for them and for their families can range from property damage to medical bills, hospital bills. There could be ongoing treatment and rehabilitation, learning how to speak again, learning how to walk again, learning how to do whatever task it may be again. There could be lifelong injuries that require ongoing care, at-home care, nursing home care. There could be pain and suffering, lost wages. Maybe that person can't go back to work for a while. Maybe they can't go back to work for a long while. Maybe they can't go back to work at all. So the damages can be very extensive. If you have been affected by a personal injury that resulted in a traumatic brain injury, we strongly encourage you, reach out to us. We have the individualized service, and we really care, and we want to listen to you and find out what's going on to see if we're able to help you. I believe our clients hire us because we're responsive. We tend to get back to them quickly when they contact us. We give very personalized service. It's not handing off to clerks here and there. We have upfront pricing that's transparent on our website, and that's very different for our industry, which is typically not going to tell you the price up front. We have extremely competitive fees, and on our personal injury contingency cases, we have lower contingency fees than industry average. I think to know what our clients would say about us, you could just go online and read the reviews. There's over 500 reviews across Yelp, Google, Justia, Avvo, lots of different places next door where people leave reviews. And the things that they tend to say about us is we have personalized service, we're efficient, we are a firm where they didn't have the stress and anxiety that they thought they would feel when they were seeking out a law firm. They enjoyed the one-on-one style service that we provide, and they've just really enjoyed working with us, and we enjoy our clients. Like, we get a lot of gratitude ourselves in serving our clients. Client communication is vital. Clients need to know that we care, and one of the ways they get to see that we care is by a quick response. Now, we're not always able to call them back immediately, but really as a firm, we have a goal of trying to contact them within 7 minutes. We can't guarantee that, but we try hard, and we try to email them and call them back or text them just as quickly as we can, because it sets the pace for who we are as a firm. We're responsive, we're personalized, and we really care about them. And if we take days to get back to them, they're not going to think that we care. We really do care, and it shows in our response times. We are a small boutique firm, and I think that serves our clients well because they get that individualized one-on-one service, that customization where they're not just being pawned off to another lower level attorney or to a clerk or to an admin. We're really getting in deep with them one-on-one with the attorney they're working with, or in some cases we have a few attorneys that we work with. But I think that small boutique-y feel really helps our clients know that they're going to get the service that they deserve. During your initial consultation for a brain injury, we really just want to gather information. We want to listen to you to hear what's going on. What happened? What are the results? What are your functions or loss of functions in your life? What's changed? We want to get to know you as a person. And if you're a great fit and we're a great fit for you, then we'd be honored to represent you.